Welcome back to another lesson in our Business English Success Series, One Expression at a Time. This new series is designed to help you transform the way you communicate at work, since each lesson introduces a single powerful phrase or expression that can make your language sound more professional, impactful, and profound. Our 2025 goal is to create a great list of game-changing expressions that you can use in your business meetings, presentations, and of course any upcoming interviews. And don't forget that anytime you feel you need more support in this journey, you can visit my website and schedule a one-on-one lesson to really hit your 2025 goal of becoming an advanced English speaker. So let's begin with today's expression that's all about setting activity into motion. To get the ball rolling, this expression means to start a project, a process, or an activity. It's often used to encourage action or initiate progress. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and practical applications in business English. The phrase "to get the ball rolling" is believed to have originated from sports, where moving a ball signifies the beginning of a game or an activity. Over time, it's been adopted into everyday language to describe initiating any task or project. In the workplace, getting the ball rolling could mean scheduling the first meeting, creating an initial draft, or taking the first step towards achieving a goal. Here are some scenarios where you might use this phrase. Number 1, in a team meeting. Let's get the ball rolling on this project by assigning roles. During a brainstorming session, I get the ball rolling with a few initial ideas. When delegating tasks, can you get the ball rolling on the research for this proposal? In a one-on-one discussion, we need to get the ball rolling on these deliverables to meet the deadline. And in an email to a client, we are ready to get the ball rolling on your project as soon as we have your approval. Now let's dive into some cultural references. To get the ball rolling is often associated with proactivity and leadership. It's a phrase that emphasizes the importance of taking initiative and creating momentum. In business, successful leaders and teams know that starting strong can set the tone for the entire project. So this expression reflects the idea that the first step is often the most critical step. Let's practice using these phrases in different types of sentences. Repeat after me. Let's get the ball rolling by outlining our goals. I get the ball rolling with the initial draft. Can we get the ball rolling on this before the end of the day? Getting the ball rolling early can make a big difference. Let's get the ball rolling to ensure we stay ahead of schedule. Now think about how you can apply this expression in your professional life. For example, in a meeting, you might say, "To get the ball rolling, I've prepared a quick outline for us to review." Or in an email to a colleague, you could say, "Can we get the ball rolling on this project today?" Remember, this phrase is all about taking initiative and creating momentum. Use this to inspire action and to drive progress in your workplace. To get the ball rolling is a dynamic expression and highlights the importance of starting strong. So how will you use this expression this week? Share your examples in the comments below. Let's continue learning and growing together, one expression at a time.